Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope you all are fine. And today we will start a new concept, a new chapter that is called multiplication. First of all, before starting the topic, we should know the meaning of multiplication or what's the definition of multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. When you repeatedly do the addition, uh, that is called the multiplication. Okay, and the addition sign is plus. When you repeatedly add something, that is basically called the multiplication. Okay, this is the definition of multiplication. Whenever someone asks you that what is multiplication, so you will say repeated addition. Repeated addition of a number is called multiplication. Today we will do the repeated addition of 2, that is also called as table of 2. So for that I'm using the marbles to explain you. For example, if two marbles, for example, Alina has 2 marbles and Amjad has 2 marbles. Okay, Alina has 2 marbles and Amjad has 2 marbles. So if someone asks you that how many total marbles are there, so what you gonna do, as I explained you in the word problems as well, whenever the total statement comes in the word problem, we add. So we will add 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called the addition. But there is another method to add the marbles, and that is that Alina has 2 marbles, Alina has 2 marbles, and Amjad has 2 marbles. So for that, what we can do is basically there were 2 marbles of Alina and 2 marbles of Amjad. So how you gonna do? 2 plus 2 equals to 4. But there is another method of adding, because it's not like every time you will get a easier thing. There is another method that is called, there are 2 groups. Basically there were 2 persons who were having 2 marbles. One was Alina and the other one was Amjad. So what you gonna do is how many groups there are? Basically 1, 2 people were having the marbles. So you're gonna write 2 times this multiply sign is also called as times. Okay, so 2 times how many marbles they were having? 2. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. If I go with another example, let's suppose there is another student who, let's suppose Maheen has another 2 marbles. So now what you gonna do is, it would be 2 plus 2 plus 2. So rather than adding 2 plus 2 plus 2, what you gonna do is, you gonna write how many groups are now made, how many students are having 2 marbles? 3. So you gonna write 3 times how many marbles each person is having? 2. So you will write 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And if you add them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are 6. So you should know 3 times 2 is 6.